Good morning. Well, it's actually afternoon. I just went to get the tickets. I'm leaving Nicole way now. So I had an appointment in the morning, well actually afternoon, around 12 here in Bryanston. I was wearing this white top and it got a little bit dirty because of the makeup. It didn't work for my jeans because my jeans are open, so I had to come here to maybe get a top because I was also hungry. There was a lot going on, so I decided, you know what, let me just get a top and then get some food. Guys, I just discovered that, oh guys, don't mind my washing machine. I actually put it by the door. Don't ask. Anyways, yeah, so I'm saying I just discovered that my neighbor does nails. Well, I've been knowing, but I never asked, right? Because when I asked her, she was like, I kinda. She was shy about it, so I wasn't sure. Today when I came back, I'm like, oh, let me just ask her about it. Charges the same as the lady that I just recently found. I think I want to go do my nails right now. I thought I was gonna just rest a bit, but let me fix my nails because look at how they look. Growing out, they're chipping. So she said we can do it now. Good morning, guys. I hope you can see. I had to repot my plant because it wasn't thriving. In fact, when I woke up this morning, it had detached. The roots had detached from the soil and it was just rotting. Yeah, so I had to take it off from the bottom because it was also rotting. There was even a terrible smell. So I decided to repot it. I'm just like very nervous now because I feel like I'm not sure how much water I should pour. I'll pour just a little. Guys, today we're doing a properly planned maintenance day, which I hope is gonna come out nice. This is at home, by the way, because you know what it is, you know. So I'm going to look for cluster lashes. I've been DIYing my lashes, but now I want to try actually cluster. That's it. Like nothing hectic, nothing breaking the bank. Guys, we are done. We're heading back home to go transform. I am so excited. Nothing I vibrator and shaking my hands. Okay, that's an inside joke. It's good, but not worth 40 rand. No. I still maintain that it's not worth 40 rand. Please. until I'm 6.